pinakamalaking muscle, ang heart, sa isang super being din tumama.
Pasensya ka na wala ako dyan. Sabi ko pa naman isa-surprise kita. Pero ito, surprise! Happy birthday sa'yo at thank you. Thank you at binigay ka sa akin ni God. Nagpapasalamat talaga ako. At baka happy ka lang, pinapayagan kita. Go!
At live na live ngayon sa ASAP 09, ang superhero maaasahan sa lahat ng kanto. Flash Bomba himself, Luis Manzano.
Manzano! Happy birthday! Of course, thank you to G-Force. Manzano, happy birthday! Ito ba, Tito Gary?
Thank you. Wow.
Wow, Tito Gary! Ano feeling mo? Level up ka na at Gary, binayin ko sa'yo mo.
Dati ko pa sinasabi yan. I've been sharing the stage with Tito Gary for hosting, pero sharing the stage with you, dancing, one of the best birthdays ever that God could give me.
No, you know what, folks? Sabi ni Luis sa rehearsals daw, sabi niya, uy, walang mga surprises ha, baka biglang suntukin ko yung kung sino man na magsa-surprise. Buti na lang hindi ako nasuntok. Thank you so much. Happy birthday, Luis. We love you on behalf of all of us here.
All of us do. Wait lang, ano birthday wish mo?
Pero bagong lahat, I know you thanked them earlier. Maraming salamat sa G-Force. Wish. I think I've been very, very blessed in terms of career. Yung mga sumusuporta sa akin. It's only siguro me saying thanks for all the blessings that I have been receiving for the past 27, soon to be 28 years.
Tanda mo na pala.
What?
Yes.
Please, walang ganyan. Kasi kung... Never mind. Sige naman. Let's not talk about age
Of
here.
course.
Go.
Happy birthday, Manzano. Do you want to blow your cake muna?
Pero may mga papasalamatan muna ako. Before
sige.
anything else, thank you so much, Designer Whey Protein, Converse, Ray-Ban, Executive Optical, Bench Fix, Peps, Dr. Manin Paikalayan, Technomarine, Avon, Newman, my mixed family. As a family, maraming salamat. Ang Kanto Boys, thank you so much, Eli, PBB, Josa, Ma'am Charo, Tita Cory, Sir Deo, Direk Loren, Miss Ligit, Mr. M, Mr. Donut, St. Augustine, 1T, Globe, Lucky Me, Head and Shoulders. Maraming salamat po. Mom, I love you so much. Dad, I love you so much too. Kite, I love you.
Yep, go, make a wish.
May wish ka ba?
May wish ka ba? Okay na.
Blow it out.
Don't forget, folks, we're coming right back to ASAP
Ayan,
Online.
wait,
But
wait,
before that, we want to call out here two very special people.
Yes.
Chairman Edu Manzano and the star for all seasons. More importantly, not just Governor but sandali lang. Alam ko yung kanta na yun ah. And this is a family affair. So we gotta see you guys do this a little bit. Hello.
Thank you. Very unexpected. Thank you so much, Mom.
Happy birthday, anak. We love you so much. I love you, Lucky.
At kung ano man yung nakikita nyo sa akin ngayon, kung napapangiti ko kayo at napapasaya, ay dahil po sa kanilang dalawa yon. Kung di po dahil sa kanila, wala po talaga ako sa mundong to.
Anak, you know I love you. And I want to wish you a happy birthday. At napag-usapan namin ng mami mo na pinaghirapan ka namin paaralin ng maayos, pinalaki ng maayos, para maging isang kanto boy lang.
Gusto niyo ba yung Kanto Boys?
Pwede na. Okay na. Ito kasi ang gumastos na edukasyon yan eh.
Kaya nga masakit para sa akin. And natutuwa naman ako. Kasi, alak, nabanggit lang kanina na may coincidence, there's a similarity or coincidence between the three of us kung saan ang mama mo ay siguro ang pinapagandang darna ever.
Panindigan mo yan.
Okay.
Ang tatay mo, syempre ang kilalang Captain Barbell.
At kami ay natutuwa dahil sa nakikita ka namin ng mami mo, ikaw na siguro magiging pinakamagaling na Kapitan Boom.
Dad,
Hindi.
mali po.
Hindi.
Susuporta ka
Alam
lang,
ko.
mali pa.
Ano?
Hindi Kapitan Boom.
Ay, sorry, ano?
Flash bomba.
Hindi.
Hindi. Lastic Man.
Plastic Man. Ano ka ba naman?
Hindi.
Fairness, thank you sa support.
Kapitan Ingo.
Teka, sandali lang. This is such a family affair, but I think there's one thing as a family you can all do together.
Yes.
It's called the Papaya Dance. Would you want to see them do that?
Your dance.
Let's watch.
Sabi mo, feeling ikaw rin pala mag-feeling. Let's do the papaya. 1, 2, 3, push!
Oh yeah! Family affair na tayo. Happy birthday,
Thank you so much,
Lucky!
guys. Thank you.
Hindi.
Iba naman yun eh.
Hindi ikaw yan.
Di ba ako yun?
Ito masama ang gising
Ano ba?
Dito po, boy.
Masama ang gising nito. Teka muna, bagong lahat. Gusto po namin ipaalam sa aming anak na si Lucky.
Ay, ampon.
And then, wala
Dapat lang malaman, oo.
Ikaw nag-uumpisa niyan, ampo ng anak mo eh.
Well, po naman talaga eh.
Then may isa pa hong version, ng tatay daw niya si Bobot.
Pero hindi ako nagseselos.
Masira ulo nito
Dahil
talaga.
napamahal din sa akin itong batang to.
Salamat,
And
bro.
then, ito na, totoo. Anak, we're very, very proud of you. Keep it up. At wala akong pinakamasarap sa magulang na katulad namin, kundi po makarinig ng mga magagandang salita para sa kanilang anak. So, anak,
Kaya pa sa
keep it
lahat
up.
po.
We love you. We're proud of you. Keep your feet on the ground. Huwag kang magbabago. We love you so much.
Thank you, love
We
you.
love you. I love
At
you.
napakaswerte po ng mga magulang na magkaroon po ng isang anak katulad po ni Luis Felipe Manzano.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Luis.
Thank you,
Thank
Gary.
you.
Thank you, Nips.
Thank you, Tito Edo. Thank you, then.
Thank you.
And of course, up next, you will be able to listen to your favorite OBM hits with the PDA Scholars and awesome champions sa pagbabalik po yan na